Pregnancy phonies. The NBC2 investigators uncover women in Southwest Florida selling positive pregnancy tests online. It's incredible. We found ads showing women how to use the test to trick men. NBC2 investigator Jim Spiewak finds out if selling the tests is actually legal. Jim.
Kelly, more than 3,700 babies have been delivered in Lee County alone this year. Before the delivery room, every one of those women saw a positive one of these. But ads popping up all over the internet can tear relationships apart. And one woman we talked to selling these positive pregnancy tests says she could care less.
Heart here. I'm going to take a listen to the heartbeat. I am checking the size of the baby, checking on the growth, how much the baby weighs.
In just a few weeks, the McGonigal family will welcome their first baby boy.
Coming out looking like daddy.
The next time I see him, I'll be holding him.
He'll fall into the arms of a loving family who's been through this pregnancy thing before.
It's exciting. It never gets old.
Two parents ready for a new life, happy to grow together.
Yes, yes.
But not all relationships are as healthy.
It's just insane to me that that's happening.
The NBC2 investigators found women selling their positive pregnancy test online to women who aren't pregnant.
I can't imagine falsifying that, and I can't imagine somebody having a fake pregnancy test and then giving it away. I mean, who does that?
This woman. Her online ad suggests men might stay in a relationship if you buy her positive pregnancy test. And the price? $20.
Is it a money thing? Is this for money?
No, it's to see how many women do it.
We were curious about that too, so we set up an email account, responded to ads, and asked if we could buy a test. Our seller agreed to meet, and after some initial resistance,
You were going to sell us a positive pregnancy test?
she opened up.
Do you think people would use this as extortion for money for a fake abortion?
Yes, actually I do.
And you're okay with selling those?
Somebody else's business.
So while there's nothing illegal behind selling a positive one of these, there are some serious questions into the psychology behind the transaction.
This is a frightening trend.
Psychologist Maggie Nash says responding to ads like these, touting fake abortions, is a dangerous road for any buyer to travel down.
People are using even the idea of a child as a way to emotionally manipulate something else that they want.
And for the sellers, Nash says they're just as emotionally troubled.
I think when people do this, it's pretty impulsive. So when you're impulsive, you're not thinking about consequences.
Consequences aside, those in a loving relationship like the McGonigals can focus on other decisions.
So you guys picked out a name for the baby yet?
Yes, his name's Miles.
And that miles-long journey will begin any day.
So who's buying these tests? Experts we spoke with say women who can't get pregnant are especially vulnerable to these types of ads. Once again, law enforcement says there is nothing illegal about selling a positive pregnancy test to anyone. Reporting in the studio, Jim Spiewak, NBC2.